How would you like it if you could send visitors to your website where they see their own name? Do you see this? It says, "Hey Tim," and look at this picture here. It says, "Tim, don't worry about the quality. It's the best in the world." Now look what happens when I do this, when I send them to this URL. "Hey Eric, would you like to get up to 67% discount?" And look at this image. It also says Eric. And not only this, you could also send pictures through social media instead of doing cold email marketing or cold outreach like the one that you're seeing here at the left. You can also do messages like you're seeing here at the right side here, where it says, "Hey Rick," where it has an image that is that you can click on, so that they click on that image and will go directly to the URL. Instead of having to put a URL in your message, now you have made a personalized image with a clickable link. Hey guys, my name is Tim Verdouw, and today I'm reviewing SellitPics that allows you to create personalized campaigns that you can send through email, that you can do on your landing page, that you can use in social media by cold outreach on LinkedIn. When you send them messages, you could send them personalized messages by using an app called SellitPics. Now I'm going to review this product, going to do a full review. But before I do so, I want to mention that there is a link in the description of this video. It will redirect you to my website where you can find more information about SellitPics and also the pricing. It starts for $37. This is the early bird price. It will go up at 5 p.m. Every 3 hours. The price will go up. So if you see this video and this is interesting to you, make sure you grab it as quickly as possible. And also, you're going to get some very cool bonuses from me if you pick this up through my link. So my first bonus here is Lead Wolf that allows you to make and receive calls through your website. It's a perfect lead machine as well. You're going to get it completely free if you pick up SellitPics through my link. A second bonus is an Agency Site Pro where you can set up your own agency site. You're going to get this completely free. All these bonuses that you're seeing here on this page, it's completely free if you pick this up through one of my links on my website. And you can simply click on one of these buttons here and I will email my bonuses so that you receive them automatically into your inbox. All right, SellitPics, what is this all about? So right now I'm logged into the dashboard, and from here we can start working. First of all, you get an overview of all your campaigns, the links generated, the date-wise links generated, the campaigns that you have running, the requests of images that have been clicked on and been viewed. But it works really simple. First of all, you have a whole library of templates. And when I zoom in here, you see everywhere "hi first name," and you can change that. You can say "hi first name," and then the name will be changed to the name that you want to have in this picture. And you can create more variables as well. But you have a whole library here. You can go over the multiple pages here to see all these templates. You can modify these templates. So let's say you want to edit this template. You can give this a new name. So we're going to call this Tim4. And then in here you have an editor where you can change everything. So you can change the text if you like to change this text in here. You can drag and drop new text. You can add images in here. So you can modify and create new campaigns yourself or templates yourself if you like to. And once you're done, you simply click on Save Template and you can start using this template. Now let me show you how a campaign works. So from a template, you can start creating a campaign. And let me open an existing campaign that I created. So here you see a campaign where the first name is Vidi here. You can see here it says first name Vidi, and you can add multiple variables if you'd like to. And you can see this picture now says, "Hey Vidi." So what I want to do is I want to reach out to Vidi. She's my wife. So this is a good example. And you can change some things in here. So if you want to make this bigger or smaller, you can do that as well. And what you need to do is you can create a landing page where you want to send Vidi to. Now, in our case, it's of course cool to send her to this page where her name is on this page, which will be Vidi, right? And then she sees this image as well, which will be Vidi. So here we go back to the campaign. Let me close a few windows here. So this is the URL where you want to redirect your visitors towards. Now then, the thing that you can do here is you can say, I want to generate an image for social. And what this will do, this will give you a URL in here that you can start sharing on social. So if you're doing cold outreaching through LinkedIn, for example, you can go to LinkedIn and you can reach out to the person. So in this case, this is Weedy, and I want to send a message to Weedy. So gonna paste my message in here. So I'm gonna say something like, hi, Weedy, and then you do your message. This is my message. And then what you're going to do is you're gonna add the URL in here. And I'm gonna click on send. Now, this takes a few seconds. Now look what happens with this message. It will automatically create an image for me here. You see this? Now it says, this is my message, and it's a personalized image here with her name, and it's clickable. So when she clicks on this image, look what happens. She goes to my website where I can create a special offer specifically for video, for example, but you can use this for everyone. Look what happens here. When I change the name here in the URL, I can change this back to Tim, or I can change this back to Eric, or I can change this to Steve. And I can create multiple campaigns that I can send out and reach out to all different kind of people here, where I can invite them and makes it much more attractive for them, to click on these links. Because when you send a message with your link, etc., people don't like that. But if they see a personalized thing, then they think, hey, this is cool, and they will click it much quicker than a normal outreach. So this is what you can do in the campaign builder in here. And this is just one example. Another example, what you can do with this software is you can create here, it says create a dynamic image URL for email and landing pages. Now, when I do this, it will generate a new URL. Now look what happens here. What you can do is here you need to replace this with your first name. And when I copy this and I go to my autoresponder, in this case, I'm using Encharge, for example, what you can do is you can drag and drop an image into your builder. So this is an image that I dragged and dropped inside of the builder. And what I did here is I used this URL. I pasted the link that I got from SellitPics. Now, when you do that, every autoresponder has merge tags. So a merge tag is when you say, hey, Tim, hey, first name. So when I click here on merge tags and I go to first name here, it says person first name and the default will be friend. So when I add this at the end of the URL in here, so first name is, and you're going to paste that merge tag in here, then what will happen is when you send out this email, you will receive it this way. This image now says, hey, Tim. And when you send this out to your list, you can send out an email with a picture where everyone will get the picture with their name inside of the email. And this makes it, again, way more attractive to read your message because, hey, people will see their name, right? And this can be done with SellitPics as well. So you create a dynamic image URL for an email or a landing page. Now, as you can see, I also use this image on my landing page here. I created this image where the first name here, when I go to the top, let me see if I can zoom this out a bit. Here you see, this is my domain name, page.timverdaal.com/SellitPics example. And then it says, question mark, first name is Weedy. So when I change this Weedy to Tim again, you can see everything on this page changes to Tim. And that is the URL that you're going to use here to generate a dynamic image URL for email and landing page. Now, if this is a bit complicated, there is training on the inside here with the help that can help you. You can also reach out to me if you have any questions. But this is how it works. So you have an image, and if you want to have this on a landing page, the thing that you're also going to need is a code. Now, it works really simple. You can generate a code here, and this code needs to be added to the body of your landing page. So if you have a landing page builder, there will always be a part to insert a body script, and you can add that inside of your body script. And then the only thing that you need to do on your landing page is stuff like this. So when we go on our page, basically, let me change this on the fly here. How this will look like in the back, and if you create this page, if you type this on your landing page builder, the only thing that you type is this first name, like this. And then the first name will be replaced automatically by the name that's being entered inside of the URL because of the script that will translate that name. And that is how you create these things. Now, you could do images in your email, like I said, but if you have an email program that does not allow you to add custom image URLs, you can also use a code inside of SellitPics. You can also use this and add this as an HTML block inside of your email. So when I go to online HTML editor here, when I paste this code in here, you can see this image will be added inside of an email the way I show it right here. And that is what you can do with SellitPics. Now let me see if I forgot something here. So you can create images for sharing when you reach out, when you do cold outreach, for social here, or this is an image that you can share. So when I share this URL, I can simply send this image to somebody and they can click on it, and then they can see this picture here. Your design, if you create a design that's specifically for someone, they can see that through this URL. You can create images for social. You can generate dynamic image URL for email and landing pages like I just showed you. And here you get the code that you're going to need in order to add this to a landing page. Then there's also a request part here at the left side where you can see when people have visited your links. You can see here those links have been clicked. So when you click on these links, you can check them out yourself. Oh, you can see, okay, VD has clicked this link. You can see that in here. When you click this, you can see, okay, this was an example. So you can see exactly where they're coming from here, which campaigns have been clicked on. So if you create multiple campaigns, you can see this as well. You can see if they requested a click yes or no. And that's all inside of SellitPics. Now, SellitPics comes with 2,000 credits. Let me go to my website. And again, there's a link below here in the description of this video that will redirect you to my website where you can see the pricing, where it starts for $37 if you pick this up before 5 p.m. on launch day. And this will be on Saturday, the 11th at 11 a.m. EST. And then the price will go up every 3 hours. Now, you can read all of this. What I want to say is that you're going to get 2,000 monthly credits. So 1 credit is every time you generate a new image or a new request to the server. So each month you get 2,000 new credits again and again and again. Now there is a full funnel. So you also have the pro version here where you can create unlimited campaigns, 6,000 image generation credits a month. There's an OTO 2, there's an OTO 3, 4, 5. Just go read it. These are some other products here. Pursue app, if you want to see what Pursue app is. I reviewed this product a while ago. A very good cold outreach email platform that you can use. This is Amplify Pro. This is Viral Reach. All good products from Silverreal. And if you like to get this whole funnel at a discounted price, normally this will cost $532. You can get this right now for $247 where everything is included. If you want to get the bundle, simply click on the bundle link here. And otherwise, simply click on this pink button to get the front end. And that is what SellitPics is all about. Now, if you have any questions, make sure to ask them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them. And please hit that subscribe button if you like to see more of those video reviews. I review products, not every single day, but I do a lot of product reviews. And if you like to stay updated, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And thanks if you hit that like button. I would appreciate that as well, so that my video also get bumped up in the YouTube search results. All right, that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in another video. Talk soon. Bye-bye.